welcome to my blooming TV. Thank you so much for joining me. Have you been wondering what to do with your leftover turkey from Thanksgiving? Wonder no more, because today I've got your back. We are going to be making a slow cooker turkey 3-bean chili recipe. Chilies, as you know, have a lot of ingredients, but once you get a hang of it, it's well worth it. For this, you're going to need a slow cooker. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot, but if your rice cooker has a slow cooker setting, and that will work fine. But if you do not have any of these gadgets I'm listing, you can also cook it on the stove top. But for the flavor to be very well thoroughly infused, it's better you use a slow cooker. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, and I'll be back in a minute to show you the ingredients that will be needed. Please do not forget to like, share on your social media platforms, and subscribe if you haven't. Sit back and I'll be right back.
Alright. Okay.
So for the ingredients, I'm going to leave a list in the description box. I'm using about 5 to 6 cups of turkey. Yes, my turkey was gigantic. You want to check out my Thanksgiving video on my roasted turkey. And I'm using 2 to 3 bell peppers here. These have been chopped. 1 large sweet onion chopped. 2 celery sticks chopped. And then here I have about 1 cup of tomato sauce, about half a cup of tomato paste, and then 1 can of crushed tomatoes, or we can say about 2 cups of crushed tomatoes, and this has been drained. So I'm using 3 different types of beans for this chili. I'm using red kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans. You can use any 3 combination of beans available to you locally. If you are using the canned beans, make sure you rinse thoroughly in cold water. So I have rinsed all this. And then for the spices we're going to use, I have 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. This will help to cut down the acidity from the tomatoes. 2 tablespoons of canola oil, or any healthy oil of your choice. 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder. 1/4 cup of chili powder. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon each of oregano, black pepper, cayenne, and cumin. And then here I have half a tablespoon each of garlic powder. This is garlic powder, ginger powder, and onion powder. And then if you looked at my other video, you saw I cooked the turkey giblets to get stock. So this is still part of the stock. I'm going to be using about 3 cups of turkey stock that was freshly made. So now we are going to go straight to the slow cooker, and then we saute the onions and the celery, and pretty much every other thing gets in, and we'll slow cook for about 10 hours. I'm going to slow cook overnight, and then we'll finish this off tomorrow. Thank you, and please keep watching. can have your chili with bread, with bread bun, or you can also have it with cornbread. So today I'm going to show you a very simple cornbread recipe. This is what we're going to be using for our chili. For that you need a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 2/3 cup half and half cream, or you can use buttermilk or just regular milk. Here I have a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Here I have a 1/4 cup of canola oil or any other healthy oil of your choice will do. Here I have 1 cup all-purpose flour, about 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and then 3/4 cup of cornmeal. I have greased my pan lightly and I'm going to be baking this in the Ninja. So if you are using the oven, you can bake at 375 for about 25 minutes, or when your toothpick comes out clean. But because we are using the Ninja, we are going to subtract 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to be baking in the Ninja at 350. So we are going to start first by combining the wet ingredients, and then we combine the dry separate before we mix. And here we have it. Our leftover turkey 3-bean chili is ready. It smells and tastes amazing. So we're going to have this for breakfast today because, as you know, I cooked it overnight. So you can top it really with cheese or even with sour cream. So you just put a little bit of cheese on it. Make sure the chili is hot. That way your cheese just melts and it's amazing. So you can top it with Cheese like so. A little bit of sour cream to make it extra creamy. Isn't that beautiful? And then you can have that with a slice of cornbread if you want. So let's slice into this cornbread and see. I'm just gonna put this out of the way first. Okay, I'm gonna dig in and see. I'm trying to look for a better angle. And this is really easy to make, and it's ready in no time at all. So I did end up adding about 5 minutes. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, so you can have that with your chili, or you can use any other bread of your choice. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, to like this video, comment, and share with your friends. Have a blessed and wonderful day.
1, 2, 3.